I was discussing few questions related to the question bank. So here I have, you can see the question, expand the following. So the question is styles. What is a style? I have told you that styles are the predefined set of formats that we use to create or that we use to apply in our document. What is formal communication? I have made you understand about communication cycle, that there is a sender, there is a receiver, there is a message and encoding and decoding of the messages, and there is a feedback also. So what is formal communication? Formal communication means there will be a person who will be there to communicate. What is a feedback? Feedback is a response given by the receiver or given by the sender in response to some message. What is mail merge? Mail merge is the application in which we used to send a collection of mail. We used to mix collection of mail and mail merge is a feature where a single mail is being sent to collection of people at the same time. What is a data source? Data source is a feature of mail merge where data source is a document where we used to write the name and email address of all the person to whom we have to send the mail, and all together we implement the data source in our document, and then we used to send the mail. Value based questions are there. Soumya has to use reverse calculation. Which feature of OpenOffice Writer will she use? So she has to do reverse calculation. I have told you about multiple operation. In multiple operation we have to do the reverse calculation. Rima has to find the average in the worksheet. Which features he will use? I have told you, I have told you that in sum total we have to use lots of formulas. Which feature has the capability to save the set of values and can substitute automatically in the cells? So which is used to save the set of values? Isn't it the scenario? So this will be the answer. So this will be these are the rest question which I have given. Few more questions like, what do you mean by mail merge? So I have told you mail merge is a facility in OpenOffice Writer or MS Office where we used to send a single mail to multiple people at the same time. Different component of mail merge will be main document, data source, linking data to worksheet. When we want to link to a worksheet to different worksheet to get the data, to get the consolidated data, then we used to apply the concept of linking data. What is communication? Communication is a process where we used to communicate our messages to another person. It could be one-way process, it could be two-way process. What is a scenario? Scenarios are the set of value which a spreadsheet saves, where we used to apply some steps. Multiple operations are used to get the desired output. We have the set of input. We have an example in our book where we have to calculate the profit based on the input value we have. Table of content, where table of content means we used to organize the values. Like at the start of our book we have the title or index, that is the table of content. What are the verbal, written and visual communication? Verbal means where oral communication. Written means where we used to write something and give to the other person. Visual, where we can see the other person. 7 C's of communication: concise, concrete, coherent, complete, and then courteous. These are the 7 C's of communication. 2 modes of communication: verbal, non-verbal. Communication cycle I have told you: sender, receiver, message, encoding, decoding, feedback. Salutation, when we used to write the thanking note, then it is a salutation. How to create it? I have told you the steps. What do you mean by consolidation? When we used to, again and again I am telling the same thing, when we want to compile the data of multiple worksheets, then we use the concept of consolidation. I hope you'll understand. Thank you very much.